In this video, we're going to look at a forecasting method called moving average. We'll do it here on the whiteboard so we can kind of draw as we go and you'll understand it. So what you'll hear is somebody asking you to come up with a forecast using a moving average, and the moving average is going to be 3 periods. And so for shorthand, I'll do this on the right side. I'll just go 3-month moving and average. So what that sounds like is probably what exactly that you're thinking is we're going to do a mathematical average, and we're going to go back and grab the last 3 months, and then as we do each month, the window is going to move, and that's why we call it a 3-month moving average. So here's how it looks over here on the left. This is going to be our actual sales. This is going to be our forecast. And let's say for periods 1, 2, 3, I had sales of 10, 18, and 14. Okay, and I'm just picking some numbers. And so I really need 3 months worth of data before I can start doing a forecast in this example because I've defined it as a 3-month moving average. So I've got 10 plus 18 plus 14. I'm adding them up my calculator, and we're asked to calculate the forecast for the 4th month because we want to take the last 3 months. Well, the last 3 months add up to 42. Because we're saying average, we're going to divide it by 3, and our forecast for the 4th month is going to be 14. It's because the formula says, or the criteria is a 3-month average. Now this is where the moving comes in. It says, okay, let's go see what the sales are. Sales come in at, let's say, 22. Then where sales were 22 and they were for months 1, 2, and 3, now the window moves from 1, 2, and 3 over to months 2, 3, and 4. That's the moving window. So we grab the last 3. We're going to add up 18 plus 14 plus 22. We get 54 total. And again, because it's a 3-month average, we divide by 3, and the forecast comes up at 18. And then, of course, whatever the sales comes in, let's say it comes in at 14 for sales, then predicting the 6th month, we would come in and grab the window of change, the last 3 months. 14 plus 22 plus 14 equals 50, divided by 3, 16.67. I'm going to round up to 17. So that's what a moving average does. If you wanted to look at it visually, if you're a visual learner, we've got demand going from 10 to 18 to 14, 22 down to 14. Okay? So the 3-month moving average is saying, okay, take the last 3 data periods, 10, 18, and 14, add them up, divide by 3, and then that's going to give you your forecast for the next month, which is, I'll just put it as FC right here, forecast. So it's always looking behind and grabbing the last 3 data points. Sales goes up to 22 now, and we have to grab the last 3, so we're going to grab 22, 14, 18, add them up, divide by 3, and we get 18, so our new forecast is up here. So if you notice, our forecast is always lagging because we're using the last 3 numbers. Now, lagging in this case is behind, but you can imagine if sales are on the other side going down, then we'll still be lagging, but the data points that are behind us will always be on the high side. So we don't really get into lag, high or low as much as our forecast is always lagging. But that's what moving average does. So in a 3-month moving average, we're saying grab the last 3 months, add them up, average them out, and that's your forecast. And then as you go into the month after that, then the window moves. Thank you.